Good morning dear. Now today we are going to start a new chapter, and it is an easy and a small chapter, and two questions comes from this portion. Chapter number 8, it is electromagnetic waves. So here we will talk about the electro and magnetic. Here is electro, that means electric, and magnetic. So earlier we have talked about this, the electromagnetic word or the effect of electromagnetic current in the earlier. So when electric and magnetic field combine together, they form electromagnetic wave, and it was discovered by the Maxwell. This is very important and it comes in 1 marks. Who discovered the EM wave? In the short form we write it EM wave. So electromagnetic wave was discovered by the Maxwell. It is discovered in 1864 after the Faraday's experiment, and we can define the electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave are the wave which is produced due to the mutually perpendicular of electric and magnetic field. So the wave which is produced due to the mutually perpendicular of electric and magnetic field are called the electromagnetic wave. They are called the electromagnetic wave. If we want to drive this and define their graph or sketch their graph, so it goes like this. See that this is the portion for the electromagnetic, that is electric field. Variation of this is a electric field. So represented by E, we are represented by E, and the waves which is produced due to the magnetic field just passes through like this. Okay, so here is, this is a, we can say, y axis, and this is your z axis, and now this is the axis. So around it the wave produces, and from downside this is the magnetic field. This is a magnetic field. Sometime they ask in the 2 marks this question. Okay, they make their blanks. So in the first blank you will write the electric field upside and downside the magnetic field. So due to electric and magnetic field, due to mutually perpendicular to each other, the waves are originated, the waves are produces, and these waves are called the electromagnetic. See, this is the region of electric field and this is the region of the magnetic field downside. And now this equation is also, we are represented this equation, V0 is equal to E0 upon C, where V0 is magnetic field, this is a electric field, and C is a speed of light. C is speed of light. Okay, so this is the equation form of this field. Also it is also write the equation E by is equal to E0, this is sine omega, okay, and t minus x upon c in the direction. So due to displacement, E is equal to E0 sine omega t. This about you have derived in the 11th class earlier also. And if we find this in the form of c, so it is also derived, c is equal to 1 upon under root mu 0 into epsilon 0, and where if the refractive index of medium is n, okay, if refractive index is n, then also we derive this, n is equal to under root mu into epsilon r, mu r into epsilon r, where epsilon is the absolute permittivity of the medium. So this is the electromagnetic waves.